Hey everyone, welcome back. If Prime Video is not opening, do not worry. This is easy to fix. First, check your internet connection because the app needs stable network to load. Next, restart your phone, TV or device. Now, try opening the app again. If it still does not open, clear cache or reinstall the app. Then head over to your app store, search for Prime Videos, and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. Also, check if your device software is updated. Go to settings and check if your software is updated or not. Now, Prime Videos should open normally again. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next guide.